A door is closed and the owner lost the key. He decided to break the door. One wrestler and a lean man are standing near the door. The owner asked them to break the door. Who will break the door? Lean man or wrestler? Your guess is correct. Yes, the wrestler broke the door. Lean man tried many times, but he can't. But the wrestler broke the door in the first try itself. Since wrestler has more mass, he can easily break the door. If we ask the wrestler to break another door with 10 times more strength than the broken door, he can't break the door. Now he tries another strategy. He ran very fast and pushed the door with that high speed. Now the door gets broken. So, like mass, increase in velocity also increase the impact. Mass in motion produce momentum. Momentum equal to mass into velocity. A 3 kg ball moving with a velocity 2 meters per second, the momentum of the ball is mv, that is 3 into 2 equal to 6 kg meter per second. In the absence of external force, the linear momentum of the object is always a constant. This is called the principle of conservation of linear momentum. Consider two objects with mass m1 and m2. If they move with the initial velocity u1 and u2, total momentum before collision equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. If u1 is greater than u2, they will collide after some time. After collision, the velocity changes to v1 and v2 respectively. Now, the total momentum after collision equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. According to conservation of linear momentum, momentum before collision equal to momentum after collision. That is m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. In the rocket, the fuel burned and hot gas ejected with high speed from the back nozzle, producing huge momentum. Since total momentum of the system is same, to balance the downward momentum, an equal and opposite reaction force is produced, which makes the rocket project forward. When we fire a bullet, before firing, both bullet and gun are at rest. So, their velocity equal to 0. Therefore, the total momentum before firing equal to 0. After firing, the bullet moves with a velocity v, so it has the momentum mv. According to principle of momentum, the total momentum before firing equal to total momentum after firing. Therefore, the total momentum after firing is also equal to 0. Therefore, the gun recoils back with a momentum minus mv when the bullet moves forward with a momentum mv.